The Michigan Supreme Court was on the road today, setting up shop in East Grand Rapids.
A real hearing with real ramifications held before an audience of hundreds at the Grand Rapids Area High School. 24 Hour News 8's Leon Hendricks has the story.
It was held on stage at East Grand Rapids High School, but this was no show. It's like a field trip in reverse. The Supreme Court came to this school and heard a real case in front of hundreds of students.
I will call People versus Hammerman.
The case at hand questions whether this woman's Fourth Amendment rights were violated. After finding her car crashed on an area highway, police showed up at the woman's Kentwood home. She refused to come out, talking from inside the home and handing over her license through a third party. But when she went to retrieve her license, she reached just beyond the door frame, and the officer pulled her out and arrested her. She was convicted of drunk driving and leaving the scene of the crash. Her attorneys have argued that police should not have pulled her from her home, but prosecutors say she was in public space when she reached outside to grab the license.
And the question is whether that arrest was constitutional.
Students took it all in and asked questions of the attorneys after the hearing was over. The kids then had the chance to meet face-to-face with the most powerful group of judges in the state.
It's exciting for us the way it's, I hope, exciting for the students.
It was an absolutely amazing experience.
I think it's important for students to be interested in government processes, and I just enjoyed how many students were interested in it.
As far as the case goes, no conclusion from the court yet. The students were diverged on who argued the strongest case. So you thought police violated her rights?
Yeah.
The prosecution probably did a little bit. I agree more with that.
But they agreed that seeing this, they won't forget.
This is the kind of stuff I want to do when I get older, so I am really grateful for the opportunity that I got to see them.
In East Grand Rapids, Leon Hendricks, 24 Hour News 8.